My man can.
All right, there's gonna be, all right.
She ain't gonna be allowed.
Okay, I'm only gonna have one room there that I'm gonna convert into my beauty space. Okay. All right, so let's go. My hair's messed up. It don't matter. It don't matter.
Your hair good.
It don't matter. There's a secret room that we guys gonna show you in a little bit. So I'm thinking about turning this room. Can we turn the light on? Okay. So this, okay, babe. So this room right here, my beauty room. I need a room so I could do my makeup and hair and shit because we always leave in a mess, but we do my makeup and hair and whatnot. And we have a other big space for what, like a studio? Yeah. So this is gonna be Offset Man Cave.
Gonna come down here where I be kicking it by myself, you know what I'm saying? And then my boys. Watch the big move. I'm consuming last so wow.
And I don't know what we got this. This wine cellar thing, we're gonna start drinking wine, baby. Cause shit, we're gonna have this motherfucking big ass wine cellar. We gotta start drinking wine. Get the whole thing. Yeah, that's right. And make sure you catch that wine cellar, cause that shit look real motherfucking rich. All right, so then where's the other big ass room? Oh, there's another big ass room that's like that.
What's back there?
Are you sure? You know where the other silver room thing is? I think it's like over here.
Oh, you talking about this one?
That is like still hasn't been done yet. There's a little bathroom right here. There's a little. Crazy part of the house, okay? My baby's a little sick, guys. Also got the flu on Christmas Eve.
Right.
But you know what? Nothing gonna ruin our day. So
This is like the safe room, man.
yeah.
Right.
How you doing, baby? You know how to move it?
Wow.
The card on the door.
Ooh. Oh. I like it.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like a safe room.
Mm-hmm.
It was like a secret door.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
But this ain't it, guys. Oh, y'all thought this was it? Nope. This wasn't it. Come on up. So
Who's this?
So we got a gun range room.
Oh wow.
It's a gun range.
It's a gun range.
Steel walls.
Steel walls. Bam!
Target practice.
So yeah. This is part of like what? The basement? Yeah. So yeah, so there's the gun range room. Shoot that thing, bitch.
I'm putting all the plaques right here.
Yeah, all the plaques right here. Ooh, there's a lot of plaques.
Got so many plaques. Plaques.
I don't think we should we go show them the all upstairs or not? It's just a whole bunch of bedrooms upstairs. It's like fucking 5, 6 bedrooms. Let's show them.
Let's show 'em.
Hey, go upstairs to the third floor. We got elevator too.
We got elevator too? Oh shit, you know what? I don't got the energy. He don't got the energy. He literally has a fever. But he want to show you upstairs. We're going to go upstairs. Brandy, do you want to come upstairs? Can you help us?
Yes.
Please? Thank you. There's a I only saw this house one time.
Absolutely.
And then I keep getting like recordings of it. How many times you saw it? 2 times?
2 times?
2 times.
Twice. That's it.
Twice. But we know this was the one.
Yes. We gotta get y'all out today.
See, when our babies go to prom,
Details.
come down the stairs from.
Cascade, staircase.
All the way.
Holly.
Let me see if the light. I don't think this had a light in here. We have to go. Yeah.
Oh, these lights here,
Oh,
yeah.
I don't know. This?
Okay, so this could really serve as the second master.
Yeah,
Because of
right.
space and how the bathroom is made, how the closets are.
It's huge.
It's big, yeah.
Ooh.
It's a good one.
It's a guest
Yeah,
room.
so guest room.
If y'all want to come over to my house, to our house, come through, baby.
Okay.
So this is one, right? I'm really happy about one room that is gonna be the kids' playroom, and I cannot wait because the
They
kids
gonna
get
love it.
busy. We got some busy bodies, huh?
That room is massive. I'm gonna go turn those lights on.
All right. Come on, Brandy. Brandy.
I'm coming.
This is
So this is the room that they had as a music room, but it's just, it could be a, what'd you call it?
Yeah,
Yeah, piano.
I'm gonna record. Should I record? Yeah. Hey, Peaches. And there's another room, right?
Yeah, so these are probably the kids'
All
rooms.
the guest rooms is big as hell.
So we gotta determine which ones are gonna be cultures.
Another.
So huge guest rooms. Each one has a private bath.
Yeah. No, cute little sunshine. I look good. I should fly in my weave. I ain't had no time. We have to close it on. All right. Closet.
Walk-in custom closets. Get these lights.
That's another bedroom.
And another large bedroom.
Oh, this big as hell. So y'all already know if y'all ever want to come over, we got a lot of space for y'all.
Full bath.
Everyone got a shower.
God, oh, I look good. This is 3 minutes long. It's still gonna spit on. Then we're gonna have to put like fucking 10 videos up on damn Instagram. But there's another bedroom too.
Yeah, so here's another bedroom. So you got 4 bedrooms upstairs.
Okay, 4 bedrooms upstairs. Where's that big room?
We heading there next.
Okay. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Big ass bathroom, all the kids.
Yeah.
So all the kids have their own space.
This is what we fucking work hard for.
Yeah.
So this is this is gonna be the kids. Oh crap! You have to go outside. So this is gonna be the kids' playroom, and I cannot wait. I've been dreaming to decorate this room and make it a fun unisex room. Okay, so look at this room. It's huge. This room is.
We're gonna take the carpet out of here though.
Yeah, we're gonna take the carpet out of here.
The kids don't, they're gonna fuck the carpet up.
Yeah, so this is gonna be like the kids' room.
Jay!
You just hit the car. You still got it, Alfred.
This is still upstairs. And this
You
is
got
big.
your Juliet balconies here. You open these doors.
I feel like we could put those slide things in here, right?
What things?
Do you know the things that the kids slide and all them arcade games and stuff?
Oh yeah, arcade game.
I think we could do that. It's huge.
Big bar.
These open up. These French doors. You got your Juliet balcony out here.
Juliet balcony, that sounds fancier than a motherfucker. Damn, I wish we could show this right here.
Front lights on, right?
We can show the front light. All right. Okay, so this video is becoming too long. How the hell you gonna send me these videos?
I can airdrop.
Oh yeah, airdrop. All right. Hold on, these heels is high.
Tell her to answer. Tell mama to just answer. Do it for me.